Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and review at the Hux World. And yes, we're coming up on 10,000 subscribers. It is happening real fast. I'm predicting that it's going to happen on Saturday, so we're going to do a super chat on Saturday, so be ready for that. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know what time you think I should do it, morning, noon, or night. All right, we're not going to hold you too long on that one, but thank you in the door. And listen, we got PW in the building. PW is doing his thing as he always do, bringing good flavor to the table and to the channel. Now let's talk about this watch face, because I think that I should get at least 5,000 hits off of this one, because this one is totally off the chart. Now the name of the watch face is called PW90. Now in always on mode, you're gonna get an analog look. It looks really nice in AOD mode, but I like the flavor that I see when the watch face is on. I like the color of the arms on this watch face. If you look up at the top, you're gonna get your digital time along with the date, which means you get the best of both worlds, and then you get the day of the week, and you also get your month. Now you come down a little bit more, you get battery info. To the right, you're going to get your goal, and dead center down at the bottom, you're going to get your steps. Now, if you look down, you can make a phone call. We're not going to tap there. We don't want to pull up somebody's number. You can get your weather. Tap on the 12. You're going to get your calendar. You can set an event. You tap on the 3, and you can get your music. So he offers you shortcuts and, of course, double tap, and you can change the colors. Got some very unique colors. Depending on what you're dressing up in, these colors are going to tie into whatever you're going to wear beautifully. Let's go ahead and cycle through, see what he has to offer with these watch faces. And they're nice. They are really, really nice. PW, continue to do your thing, my friend. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And look out for the super chat on Saturday, people. Thank you once again in the door for all you have done for the channel. And I'm gonna see you all again at the next video. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you again at the next one. Take care.